Do you know many people are having trouble with maintaining their sewing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug machine. Start by unplugging your sewing machine to ensure a safe maintenance process. Step 2. Remove stitch plate. Remove the stitch plate using a screwdriver after raising the needle fully and open the front cover. Step 3. Clean bobbin area. Take out the bobbin case and clean the area with a brush to clear any lint or debris. Step 4. Access and clean hook. Access the hook by snapping outward the retaining arms and removing the hook race cover and hook, then clean them. Step 5. Oil the hook. Add 1-2 drops of quality sewing machine oil to the lubrication points on the hook. Step 6. Reassemble machine. Reassemble all parts, secure the hook, replace covers, and reinsert the bobbin case and stitch plate. Now, your Husqvarna Viking H-Class E10 should operate smoothly after completing these steps. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Husqvarna users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.